Workshop number 3 is pretty cool. I know I said a workshop 1 and 2 were my favorite, but workshop on number 3 is okay, one of my favorite too. Why? It's because it brings everything together. As a trader, you're supposed to translate this data, that Excel, into words that your stakeholder is going to be able to understand. What that means is, think of it this way, okay? Think of it this way. I'm running a campaign. I'm reiterating the strategy. Strategy is 4 things: audience, message, KPI, and overall goal. Okay, so like if I'm trying to sell cars, but my KPI looks like a CPA onto a sign up sheet or something like that, okay? Or like a CPA to view the car product page, if a car product page exists. Targeting means audience and geo, and then the message, not only the creative message, but once they click through, what is the landing page saying? Okay, so it's not, you cannot stop at the creative message. You have to take one step further and understand what's happening on that landing page as well, because that's how you're going, that's an important step that we all miss that could influence optimization. Okay, so understand reiterating your strategy. You start with reiterating the strategy. You do a good QA of your setup, okay, workshop 1. You review your notes from workshop 2, and then you put everything together, and then you translate, and you fix some grammar, and then you fix the tone, and then you send it in. It's probably one of the most important part of our roles, analysis, but it can be super daunting if you don't start the right way. Now let's say, and I've been running this campaign forever and I still don't know how to do this. That's okay. We will review, and you'll have an opportunity to ask questions for your campaign and also bring your own examples. We can review together. And again, if you did sign up for the gold one, you have the opportunity to have the one-on-one. But if you sign up for silver, we'll have a Q&A with everybody in the classroom, and everybody get to learn from everyone's question, and you do get the recordings. But 1, 2, 3 was set up this way because you have to set up the campaign a certain way in order for you to really optimize that said campaign effectively, and then be able to write analysis based on those two. So thank you again for betting on yourself, okay? Because whatever you're going to learn during those 3-part workshop, you're going to implement it for everything else for the rest of the year, and you'll be able to teach somebody, because that's what we do. We don't only stop at learning, we continue to teach somebody else around you, whether it's a coworker, it's your daughter, it's your grandparents, it doesn't matter, because the best way to learn is to teach it back to somebody, okay? So thank you again for stopping by, and I'll see you in January.